Hi, welcome to Spice Box. Raw banana is an extremely healthy and nutritious vegetable. It's full of iron, and today we're going to prepare this in a healthy way. We're going to shallow fry this in a coating of rava. This is usually prepared in the Goan homes and is served as a side dish in most of the homes there. Let's have a look at what we need to make this rava banana fried. For this, I have raw banana which I have cut into thin slices lengthwise. I have rava, red chili powder, turmeric, salt and some oil for frying. Let's start making this rava banana fried. For this, what I will do is, to this raw banana, I will add in some turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. And I will mix this up. In the meantime, I'll put a pan to heat. So now this banana is coated with salt, turmeric and red chili powder. In the meantime, to the pan I will add in oil. And now I'm going to let this oil heat, and in the meantime I'll coat the banana in the rava. And keep it ready for frying. Now I'm going to reduce the flame because we don't want the rava to be burnt. The oil is very hot, and I'm going to drop in the raw banana one by one. We'll flip it to the other side. The rava banana fry is now ready. It's been fried on both the sides. I'm going to remove it onto a napkin. The rava banana fry is now ready to be served. This is a very simple dish, and you're going to love the taste of it because it's got an absolutely lovely crunch because of the rava. This is served as a side dish with most of the food at your home. Try this and you're going to absolutely love it.